who say baby a see nipa na ya fa soldier for na police force o mon guide we obi say efunu no ne ye guide ana security bi e wo wo se nyame bu achi obehwie nsem agu ho so what ya say na say o hwie agu ho amana teretere eni nti o man pan ni na be de achi de wa hwe o mo beto ano e woni studio abza for mamma kwa ba wie de na yentie de Captain Kojo smart edby
wa obetime tubrika kwa hwe bebia na na do won ko ka che no sem search na onye ready for me na mon kantre any for flag bearer fence Bahama any mon kantre no Bahama ne na nado ayi kutu e traje wo mu mienu no omba studio by force me do nyame ade a me de be kire mo kina no eno na be ma mo hu se nyansa ye friend nyansa ye ni bi because tie ye bushafo enema ni bi ho etoda me hu a na me yam hyehyebe ade a me de be kire wo kina no serious country under the sun omanye mu mpanifo dwen na wonim nyansa bie ne wa ebe sade no even the animal kingdom they wouldn't do what I will show you tomorrow. Them pan the besinti ebe to be assessor soldier for any opposite for and ebia national security akogu nsamampom so momodi gade efuna yesie wunya hu say yasoa opposite for a soldier for security for akogu amusie yese momodi gade efuna yesie wo mo be 10 years 30 years ago a let's say bibibi was assassinate ma anye funu anamwa that's a something day amena bim wo ho anye funu cause abandon amusiye let's say soldier for ne apostle for go bodyguard amusiye ya abandon na let's say assassinate mu ho no bibi ho na anye amusiye awudo me ye fresh kura no apostle for na soldier for go it is a statistic ye niam na ye abandona me say actually what I will show you all one hwe obufu ahwa be ye bibi kina those of you here me say actually ade a what I will show you on Nua TV tomorrow morning wuhu a wokoko ade be ye no one hwe aba krab say ye mam kwan na wo mu be ye show no mame na menye panel ade ba kwa ya no mo ho ye mesere de se nti aya na nkofo fi se ye be jaya kasara nkofo ye jimi o etoda metie de se de nkofo kasa ena capital smart look I am the most important broadcaster in this country now
Chico ngoza
when to be a moment in your position yeah discussing country no obi discussing the party when we are trying to build a country. Some people are talking about their wife's salary. Look, you see, gradually, and kakran, we are proving to the world to say kakran, we are proving to the world that you're Jimmy. Those of you watching me, tell me. So bet me akwa Bobby say, what the kwa kusidai? And then wakwa Jimmy say no the sidai na wie. Now we feel retua. What's my sister me nyama kogu secretary interchange na say mpesa me da overhead na say wa bra dan no wese awie bibia wo na dan ni siwuram na wo say me conduct and this one you don't need a rocket scientist to come tell you say yeah the common sense in a boomai. Look, sabro cheni abrofo leaders na wo go no enye buko womo de efie nim de na efie nyansa ene boomai a simple calculation simple. And look, I am not saying you are member and yet we say wo dwene oman ho a amemmo onye den wo dwene party ho a amemmo ye den ebusua ya dwene nye ebusua fo mami nja mo wai yami aduma wo de chanya ye su o ma china bia hui e chanya me o ma e chanya Yesu o ma onya mayo me medi 70 di 80 90 na Yesu o mai oma enjoy sam kwase preaching time o de beba no wu pe Yesu mai na aton wu aton ma me fa wonsi am nja
for osi amemo no enye din de ne nso ni bi da otasem na se nti se de eja yese omanpan bi betena so se se na ede na no nim sesa na tie enye se me ka bi amomo de ne nso nya beta sa woda adwuma nipa be 30 kura no ene kura nya izi na wubu man nyina ende ye ka de enye agro wo discover mu obi okwa akodi wo discover mu obi nkoye okwa akodi ni nyina wa na ebedu watam den de wo ka se nya dia na obwane mo nieme nkoyi omohwe na omunya niema ni. Hello, good afternoon. Yeah, sweetheart, we didn't baby afrefi.
Oh, me kasa fru oboase me dingi same.
Same yanko ya ni me.
Yeah, me pacho, de me pese me ka vieni eye asori dani fie no. Onyema, me pese me bisa eye prophet Osu dem pase. Enti se am papa nsa so ben MPP amemuna. Enti no ontimi nka sem bia ebitwa monfa so abaga na hana anopa no me hwe money show yibi edan a ekunwrem mami hwe Ghana aboka esi edan wei edegunwrem okọ baby ti se dunkwaw ye hwe baby chichire mahama preso we story buildings edegunwrem hono akanwrem adi kura no mo de homa afa Ghana fokon o pesa mo ti fisi enti eye no krese empeni fo no mo ni nyansa meboa mame anu din papa the Ghana 24 ayentimam fo no o man hwe ya so man hwe ya enyo obi ene din to kwa beba Ghana o ye ni ankasa ibechi ye be kunkum ye ho yebe kunkum ye ho musi yankosi asori dan yankosi no minfa ayasepan na minfa nko asori dan koko na minfa nyame abro kwa nkuma eja pade guga na ha kwa nkuma eja pade guga na ha mo efai saboso sori se obepe amamu no edia mususu de normal na atage no and what Jessica and what you say and what you saying and the end you can't sound put all. And she said in Ghana Yanguni Libya any fancy Dubai just recently 96 year Dubai and they should Dubai for
Mate Kajabi now see ombe kunkum wo mo ho munkunkum wo mo ho ese mu yadoso. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
See that we didn't baby afrefi.
Good afternoon.
Odo we didn't baby afrefi.
I'm responding out now. Me am Mate.
Mate.
First match or kind of but one thing is I or Katamo. That's a disrespectful. It's respect. It's not good to talk that way when you are talking to elder. I say, no man paying for me and paying for one year, if I already have to be so many work of, and you were saying something like, "But you're preaching, you guys." No, that's not how to talk. They can't preach now. Preaching is a different thing. And it's not about physicalities and those kind of things. When we talk about preaching, preaching is something that is associated with God. It's not about man. The Captain Fat, I won't say if you want to live long.
Okay, I'm not for now. Where the end to us, and comedy, on patch, where the first freedom. Now, young cover from Ra. Now, assembly in an said, Yanko Poya, Dom, a branch, and Kenya Mena, Buana.